I don't like the sound.
I mean, it's like too heavy.
It's so special.
Faster? This one is better. This one
Alright guys, you need to check this out. Right. Yo. Right on time.
Alright guys, so I'm here at Tribalhood and the long-awaited event is here. So let's check it out what's happening tonight.
Out to free.
Love with a two women at a time. And now this guy is so confused that whether to choose this one or this one.
This band will make you feel like you're on a rainy day, you're sitting in a cozy corner, sipping chai and coffee, reading a nice book. The Blind Sherpa is an indie act with rotating lineup.
If you know the song, please sing along with us. Ladies and gentlemen, Yenting Aro.
Thank you so much.
You ain't gonna make it necessary.
Yeah. Nice, yeah. You made all of this. Oh wow, nice, yeah. Such a cute girl. This is beauty barn. Huh? Hand beauty. Oh, okay, okay, nice, yeah. Sundro limon jangan jadi pet-pet lagi deh.
It's so special. All I feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so
Jenny. Hey. Hi, how are you? Yeah, good to see you. Hello. Hi. Good to see you. Yeah. So you guys are here now only or like from before?
It's been like half an hour only.
Oh, okay, okay,
Oh, let
okay.
me also walk and I was like, sure, sure, sure.
Guys, so I happened to meet one of our brother, our friend. His name is Austin Shimray, and it's lovely meeting you. And the other one who is like organizing this Tribalhood festival here in Delhi. And it's such an amazing experience that I'm going through today. You know, I happen to witness so many great artists performing on stage, and the food is like too good. Yeah. So yeah, like, can you please tell us something why you came up with this idea of promoting or coming up with this kind of event?
First of all, thank you for the opportunity, and I would like to thank all the people for the love and the support that we have received. All right, so when it comes to VAY, the Tribalhood Festival, I like to, just there are a few pointers, but the main reason why we come up with this event is, in the last 2 years during pandemic, every one of us are quite engaged with the social media.
Yes.
People going live on social media, showing their talent. They've been doing a lot of things for our people.
Yeah, yeah.
So we decided that why not, upgrade something that we give a platform to all the people. So what we're going to do here is that when it comes to Tribalhood Festival, this will be happening at least 3 to 4 times in a year.
Wow.
All right.
That's great.
The next event is going to be in the month of November.
Okay.
So what we're going to do here is that we will mix with all the struggling artists who are really good, that we can give them a platform, and let's see where it goes. So this is something that we would like to open a door for all the brothers and sisters from the 8 states,
yes.
which is 7 sisters and a brother.
And a brother, yeah.
Yeah, so this is why we have started this Tribalhood Festival.
Well, very big congratulations. I mean, the event has been very successful. You came up with such a brilliant idea about not only promoting Northeast people, not only inside the Northeast but also outside the Northeast. So it's such a great privilege to come and witness this event. So yeah.
Thank you so very much.
Huge five. Yeah. So everybody's having a good time, as you can see at the background. Everybody is enjoying. Everybody is socializing, getting to know each other, and also they're enjoying the food. So When are we expecting, like when will be the
The
next
second
event?
edition.
Second
Yes.
edition, right?
It will be in the month of November, but we have not fixed a date yet.
Okay,
Like I said before, it's going to be for 3 days.
all right.
And if there is a will of God, what we're going to do here is that it's not going to be happen just here in Delhi.
Uh-huh.
We will look forward to do this in Mumbai,
Oh.
in Goa, and like
Great,
Bangalore. These are the 3 places where we are targeting for the next. Yeah.
Oh, that's really great initiative. I mean, that will be so great. You know, just
Thank you.
in Nagaland we have 16 tribes. When we talk about Nagaland, it's a vast, you know, coming up with a 16 tribe story. Like just imagine, it's a vast, and you know, just coming up with like. I should say this isn't a small event, it's a big event. It was a grand event. I've seen so many well-known artists performing tonight. So I think it's like very great privilege. And we Northeast people, you know that we're like very good with music, you know. So yeah, I hope that you come and witness this event in
In the month of November, yeah.
second edition.
Yeah.
And also, yeah.
All
More
right.
power to you.
One last thing here.
Yes.
It is not just for the artist,
Uh-huh.
who sings the song, but we will promote the handicraft at the same time. So I see that we
yes.
are very talented. So what we're going to do here is that on the next edition, we'll make sure that we get someone who is like talented, like coming up with all the handicrafts.
True.
It will be promoted here in Delhi, or just in wherever we perform. They'll come along with us.
All right, great. My best wishes to your team and keep doing what you love to do.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Sneak in. Oh, 이제 나 이거 찍어 잘해.
니랑
잠깐만 찍어야 돼. Hello. Hello. Roslyn, please tell us how was the event?
It was so good.
Uh-huh.
It's so hot.
So you mean Mumbai is hotter than you?
Yeah.
How about Delhi then?
I think it's same, but for now it's too hot.
Okay, alright. Roslyn, she's surrendering herself that Delhi is more hotter than her. Alright. So now that comes to the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.